abhor secrecy and instead advocate transparency in all government contracts, projects and business transactions.
72 empleyado ng gobyerno ang sinibak ni Pangulong Duterte.
As 800 government officials and workers have been fired due to illegal activities.
Duterte has banned all gaming schemes under the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office.
64 customs officials are now under investigation for alleged corruption.
I'm firing him today.
Inipa mo yung mukha namin.
Kasunod ng pagwasak sa aabot sa 35 million pesos na halaga ng mga smuggled luxury vehicles, may sinibak ulit sa pwesto si Pangulong Duterte.
President Rodrigo Duterte reveals the names of current and former congressmen who allegedly received kickbacks from government infrastructure projects.
Ang sona ng mga nakalipas na administrasyon, inaasahan na magiging simple ang kasuotan ng mga dadalo sa unang sona.